Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad without oil. First, begin by preparing your chicken. You'll want about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced into small, uniform pieces. This ensures every bite is perfectly balanced. Next, gather your oil-free binding agents and fresh vegetables. We are aiming for a delicious, light, and satisfying meal that is simple to prepare and enjoy. For a creamy texture without oil, plain Greek yogurt is an excellent choice, offering a tangy flavor and protein. Alternatively, a ripe, mashed avocado can provide a rich, buttery consistency and healthy monounsaturated fats. You can also use a combination of Dijon mustard, fresh lemon juice, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to create a zesty, lighter dressing. These binders are key to a flavorful, oil-free salad. Once your chicken is ready and your binder chosen, combine them in a large mixing bowl. Now, it's time to add your favorite mix-ins. Finely diced celery and red onion provide a wonderful crunch and savory depth. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley elevate the flavor profile significantly. Season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder, adjusting to your taste. To customize your chicken salad, consider adding a touch of sweetness with halved grapes, diced apples, or dried cranberries. For added texture and healthy fats, a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts works wonderfully. Chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow flavors to meld. Enjoy your delicious, oil-free chicken salad on crisp lettuce cups, whole grain bread, or with your favorite crackers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.